everybody. This is Maggie at Bulletproof Dog Training in Cincinnati, Ohio. I have with me our new 20-day board and train. His name is Duke. He's about 6 months old, golden retriever. He comes to us with all the puppy stuff going on, leash pulling, can't focus, just wants to run and peel everywhere. Let's see if he knows anything so far, and we'll go from there. Duke, can you come? Can you come? Can you come? Duke, can you sit? Sit. Good sit, buddy. You're a big little dude. He's going to be a big boy, so they definitely need that control. He needs that foundation of communication for sure. Can you down? No down? Okay. And as you can see, a lot of work cut out for me, so I'm going to get into it. So please stick around for the rest of this video. And as always, thank you for choosing Bulletproof.